this. I'm going to try and do this one again. So I'm missing the tweezers. There's a really awesome pair of tweezers. I've added some extra screws for the moment from other things. It comes with these little tiny socket ones, but it comes with everything that you would need. It lets you work on old Nintendo products. It's got the tri-wings. It's even got the divots, so like Game Boy and Game Boy game cartridges or an NES. This came with everything, including a suction cup. Oh look, there's some bits right here. This for the Squeegee pick, the suction cup. It's got a SIM card remover. It's called the Hyper Tough 77-piece electronic repair kit. The UPC is 889526216238. Got it for less than $15 at a Walmart. And it includes all this stuff. And the tweezer was the best part. It's been the most high quality tweezer I've gotten anywhere. Very sharp, very accurate. So those triangular opening pick, SIM card tray remover, magnetizer, demagnetizer, pry bars, mini sockets, and like slotted, precision, Phillips, square, hex, metric, SAE, star, tamper-proof star, triangle, pentalobe, PZ, spanner, and Y-type. Oh look, it says Walmart.com. Absolutely love this thing. So it looks like we need the star ones.